Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to schedule a blog post in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on edit website. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to first create a new blog post, I will go to blog, click on add new post. Here I will, instead of using Hostinger AI, I will write my blog post myself. This is my new blog post, and I've already written this blog post. This is my blog post title. Click on save. Now for the content, I will double click this, copy my blog post, just like that. Now, instead of switching the status from draft to public and then click on update to public to publish this blog post, I will schedule it from blog settings. This is today's date. First, check this or enable this option next to schedule a post. And I will select my publishing date. For example, after 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. This is the scheduling date. Click on save. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. This is the scheduling date. Click on save. And now, next to the status, instead of draft or publish it, you will see schedule it. Here, don't forget to update your website to schedule your blog post. Now view site. Let's go to blog. And as you see, my blog post is not published. And this is how to schedule a blog post in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. See you.